Big bag of green and the good times are mine. I love you all. Appreciate you all. Because we'll never slow down the revolution. Oh, fuck you together, man. You guys, love you. Appreciate you all. Because yes, you. Like deep. Come. You like to go. Oh, fuck. That is just because I can't. But loving you. Back is deep. Very good you all. Fuck America, fuck down Trump, lost and broken. Because this is how I be comfortable in my own skin. Because you know, it wouldn't be a sin if you get out there and dance again. Thank you all. Deborah. Where's this guy? Oh yeah, Michelle Maria. Hold me. Run. Rise up. Shine. Together. Roll. Weather. Because the winds have changed, man. Well, guess what? You know it never changes. My love for you all. So celebrate what you love, because you know me, I'm an expeditionist, rock star, anti-Gregor. I'm a fire, baby. Oh yeah. Come on, baby. Come here, Elsa. Oh yeah. My beautiful baby. Love ya. Oh my God. Who wants it, baby? Good like me. Pass it. Look. Pass it. Because come on, what you going? Like there's two dumb books, because you never know. Fuck the code and fuck the world. This is meant to be. We change the world. No matter the subject. No matter the situation. So those graceful gospels take me by the hand. Lead us to the promised land. We can't be lazy. Show us what we love. Yoga the mind. Just the crack to the moon. Oh, back. That's the girl. Where's the daddy? Where's the nasty? Fuck you can't check. Can't be dead. I love you all. I'm always gonna be here. I'll take a bullet for each one of you. So let's shake it up. What's causing my that's a revolution? Because yes indeed, I have had enough. And when you've had enough, you throw it up. Take care of each other. Rise up. Love each other.